If you want a chance to win $500 without spending a cent, then watch till the end. Welcome back to my channel, guys. After a long time I'm coming back again with a great news. So here I am to announce that I'm giving away $500 in this channel, breaking the record of giving $100 every time. So to know how you win $500, keep watching. Welcome back. So to be in lucky draw for $500, what you need to do is to like, subscribe and comment your lucky 4-digit PIN number. Every subscriber will get one chance to comment 4-digit PIN number. More than one comment will be disqualified. Please tell your family and friends to subscribe and comment for more chances. Wishing you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay tuned for more updates.